YouTubers are making an absolute killing online with online courses and digital products to the tune of hundreds and thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars. You see, the online landscape is evolving and YouTubers are now cashing in on this, but these aren't the typical get-rich type schemes that you see everywhere that you look. These are actually tried and tested tactics that are working for YouTubers right now. And in this video, I'm going to be revealing the exact strategies that some of the top YouTubers are using to build lifestyle businesses and how you and I can do it too. So let's face it, there is so much money to be made selling information and knowledge online. When researching this video, I actually studied 7 different creators that are earning somewhere between $300,000 per year all the way to $4 million plus per year, doing exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. And the really cool thing is, as I studied these creators, I noticed a small handful of things that they've used to explode their success. So what can we learn from creators like Ali Abdaal that made over $4.6 million in 2022, of which 1.8 million of that came from online courses? Or let's take Thomas Frank, for example, who had millions of subscribers in the productivity niche and actually decided to take a hiatus from that channel, pivot to creating a small channel creating Notion tutorials, and now makes over $100,000 a month selling Notion templates. But the big question is how? How are they doing it? This is where it gets really exciting, because this is one of the most overlooked secrets in the YouTube creator space. Education and sharing knowledge is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. You see, these channels are often overlooked by many because they don't get the big view counts or the big subscriber counts in the beginning. They don't get the type of things that the mainstream content gets. But with education channels, it's not about the vanity metrics. It's about making serious money from your YouTube channel, teaching what you learn and helping others. And where most creators are making pennies on the views, education channels are making thousands of dollars in selling online courses and digital products. And this is where top creators are turning these viewers into buyers. In fact, they're doing it at multiple entry points, and any of them that I'm about to share are delivering them thousands and thousands of dollars in course and digital product sales. So let's break them down. Now, you have the obvious ones like the description promotion. Sounds too simple, too easy, right? Well, here's what you probably didn't realize. I want you to think about this. Imagine that you just watched a 30-minute tutorial teaching you how to use your favorite software tool. You were amazed at what you just learned and super excited to implement it. And at the end of watching that video, they let you know that they have hours of in-depth training that goes deep inside of their course. Or maybe they say they have templates and tools that you can buy for easy implementation. Bingo! In your brain, you were just offered a shortcut to success, the path of least resistance. And whether we like it or not, that is what everyone is seeking. Quick results, easy results, instant success. But here's where they turn it up a notch. The description is just one of many places that they are using to lead people into their funnel. Did you know that you can actually have a pinned comment on your videos? Oh, and did you know that that pinned comment section is actually a goldmine? In fact, just one of these pinned comments on just one of my videos has generated over $2,726.59 sales. Yes, one pinned comment on one video that generated that. Now extrapolate that over 10 videos or even 20 videos. 10 solid videos making $2,726 is $27,760. And on 20 videos, that is $54,000 from a simple one sentence pinned comment. And those numbers were with just a $47 simple offer. So how can you use these pinned comments to turn into thousands of dollars? Well, you can do it one of two ways. The first way is that you have a free template or tool that you link to from that comment. And to access that free tool, template, or training, they have to join your email list. And from there, they're on your email list, and now you can start selling them your digital products. And once they are on your email email list, you have an automated series of emails that go out that sell your digital products. And that's exactly what I did with my pinned comment. In fact, it's one of the things that I teach in my automated online business program. You see, people watched the video, went to the comments to see what others had to say, saw my pinned post, wanted the free template, joined my email list, and started receiving awesome content that also sold my $47 product. Now, the second way you can do this is a more direct approach. Getting someone to join your email list for free, you actually just send them directly to the sales page of your digital product. Now, you might be thinking right now, wow, I can't believe I didn't see this before. But the next method is so in front of your face and you didn't even realize it that you won't believe it, and that is what I call the camouflage video. Now, the future of selling online is camouflage videos, and top YouTubers are quietly turning regular videos into money-making machines. Content so good, so juicy, that you don't even realize that you just got sold. And you want nothing more than to throw money at that creator. One of Thomas Frank's camouflage videos is his video titled The Ultimate Second Brain Setup in Notion. At first look, it's an in-depth tutorial. It actually is. But more importantly, it is a sales machine for his Notion template, which at the time of writing this, it has over 999,000 views. Or what I like to say, 999 opportunities for someone to buy his Notion template. So let's break down some math on that. A video that gets 999,000 views, and let's say 1% of those people spend 90 bucks on a template. That is $899,000 from one video. And of all the creators I studied, I saw this again and again and again. Now, some sold templates and tools, while some sold online courses, but at the end of the day, they had these nicely crafted camouflage videos that sold their digital products. And people loved the videos even if they didn't buy. For example, Pat Flynn teaches a workshop on how to start a YouTube channel. And to be honest, it's a great workshop with lots of great ideas. And guess what? He sells a course on the topic. Oh, and he also does a podcast workshop. And yes, he has a course on podcasting too. The beautiful thing about these camouflage videos is that they often don't sell at all. The content alone, the fact that it exists, does the selling for them. And if they do sell it all in these videos, it's a simple passive mention to the course or digital product that they sell. But many of these creators took this strategy of the camouflage videos and put it on steroids. Literally, these camouflage videos were jacked. Many of these same creators that I studied also did some form of YouTube Live. Now, some did it in Q&A format, others did workshops on the topic, and some of them even ran them like a webinar. The live format videos were camouflage videos just the same, but they were live. They were like, hey, I'm here to help you. I'm here to share my expertise and value with you. I'm here to answer your questions. But hey, I also sell a product that gives you my complete system or gives you the tools to success, aka the shortcut to the result you want. And that's exactly how they did it. Some would even stream for hours sharing extremely valuable content and make passive mentions to their products all throughout. Guys, this is the ticket. And now that you know how YouTubers are earning money with online courses, you need to know how to create one. And that is why in the next video, I will show you exactly how I would launch a new online course.